Hey everyone, welcome back to Darren Says, and today I'm going to be making orange chicken. So I actually found a recipe online and I will link it in the description below, so you can also try at home if you want to as well. So I'll be attempting this orange chicken today, and come along with me on this journey and let's get started. So for the chicken we have flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, cooking oil, egg, and chicken thigh cut into small pieces. For our orange sauce, we have some white sugar, some white vinegar, some water, some soy sauce, some cornstarch. What is that? Oh yeah, rice wine, some orange zest, and some sesame oil. And then after we kind of combine all that, we're going to put in some garlic and some ginger. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all the orange sauce ingredients together. So here we go. All right, so to combine everything, I'm going to put everything in this bowl with the sugar. So I'm first going to put our vinegar in here. And then we're gonna do some soy sauce. And then some water. Ooh, it's looking interesting. And then some cornstarch. And then some, I think this is rice wine? I think so. And then some sesame oil. Get it all in there. And then some orange zest. Alrighty. So I'm going to mix that up now. All right, so now it's all mixed up, so you can still see the orange zest there, and then the rest is all combined. So we're good to go on that, and now we're going to work on the chicken, shall we? Yes. All right, so to a bowl, we're gonna add our egg. So got our egg, we're gonna add our salt, and we're gonna add some pepper, and then our cooking oil. And now we're gonna whisk that up. All right, so our egg mixture is whisked together. So now we are going to add cornstarch and flour into another bowl, and we are going to now combine that. So now I added 2 cups of oil to cook the chicken with, or like fry the chicken with. I'm not sure if this is enough because it looks kind of little, but it is 2 cups. So let's just see how that goes. I'm gonna heat it up right now. The recipe does say to make sure it goes to 375 degrees. Yeah, I don't know where my cooking thermometer is, so I'm just gonna wing it with this, okay? All right, here we go. All right, so now as the oil heats up, we are going to dip our chicken into the egg mixture and then into our flour, and then I'm just gonna set it aside here for now. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I am still not finished with this. So I'm gonna add some more flour and some cornstarch because I am running out of it and I've only done this much. So yeah, that's how we're going right now. Yes, I'm gonna be adding some more flour and cornstarch. All right, so I'm going to add the chicken that I have right now into the wok. I'm not sure if it's ready, but we will see. I still have a lot of chicken left to flour up, but at least for now we're going to use this much chicken, okay? All right. All right, so this is what we have right now. We got some chicken frying, we got some already done chicken, and then the rest of the chicken I think I'm going to save for another day since I already have a lot of chicken in here. All right, cool. All right, so the chicken is now all transferred into our bowl. I drained out the oil and left a little bit inside there to cook the ginger and the garlic that we had from earlier. So I'm just gonna add the garlic and the ginger into the pan, or the wok, like this. And we're just gonna cook it for a little bit. And then now we are going to add our orange sauce. Alright, so as you can see, it's coming to a boil, so we are going to turn off the heat and add the chicken back into the wok. Alright, you guys, this is our orange chicken, our finished product. Yes, look at that. Alright, so I'm going to do a taste test to see how this is going to taste. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to try to taste test this. Let's just get a little chicken here. It actually kind of tastes like orange chicken. Kind of. It's not that bad. All right, so that is it for today. Some of the things that I kind of took away from this is to make sure to measure the amount of chicken I actually need for next time and look more closely to the recipe and follow it more closely so that I have the good, I have a good ratio between the egg, flour, and the chicken. But overall, I think it does taste pretty much like orange chicken. And I think that's all that matters in my book. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you tried it out, and let us know what happened, what the results were. And again, I will link the recipe down below so that you can try it out as well. And subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you for joining me on my cooking adventure. Alright, I will see you all next time. Bye!